I love you. Wait here, I coming with the car. Come with me. Go, 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 go. Hello, my wife has been kidnapped. Okay, sit down. When and where did it happen, Dad? Next to the Central Park. Okay, let's have a look. Open your mouth.
I don't want to drink that. My husband will find me.
Drink it. Drink it. It works. The car was here and they kidnapped before we are getting on. Look, there is a bill of a show. Let's go to the shop. Do you know this woman? Yes, she is Leslie. And where does she live? She is in the greenhouse. Thank you very much. Stop! No! You'll never catch me! You are mine. You are going to be in the shadow.